point is reciprocal. Fourth is reciprocal. So how to take reciprocal of inequalities? So for this one, first we are discussing some example. So example is, see, we know that 2 is greater than 1. 2 is greater than 1. Then if I take reciprocal here, so 1 by 2 and this will come out 1 by 1. So among these two, if we compare, then we can say that 1 is greater than 1 by 2. So this will come out less than 1 by 2. So if you are taking reciprocal of this one, then you can see inequality sign is changing. Similarly, if I take negative number, see, minus 6 is less than minus 2. Then if I take reciprocal here, so 1 by minus 6 and 1 by minus 2. So here we can say definitely 1 by minus 6 is greater than 1 by minus 2. Correct? So here also if you take reciprocal, so inequality sign is changing. Okay, inequality sign is changing. So here if I take alpha is greater than or equal to 2 and less than 3. Less than 3. Okay, so these two numbers are positive. These two numbers are positive. Then if you want 1 by alpha, so you have to take reciprocal of this one, 1 by 2. Okay, inequality sign we have to change. So this will be greater than equal to. What will come here? 1 by alpha. Here also we take inequality sign change. Greater than will come and this will be 1 by 3 will come. Similarly, if I have beta is greater than or equal to minus 3 and less than or equal to minus 7. Then here we want 1 by beta. So how to find out? So you have to take reciprocal of this one, 1 by minus 3, and inequality sign we have to change. So this will come greater than equal to 1 by beta is greater than equal to 1 by minus 7. This will come. Okay. Similarly, if I have alpha is greater than minus 3 and less than or equal to 7, then what will happen? See, both positive we can do this one, both negative we can do this one. So here we are discussing, suppose minus 3 is less than 7. Then if I take reciprocal, so what is going to be 1 by minus 3 and 1 by 7. But here what we can say, 1 by minus 3 is definitely less than 1 by 7 only. So here inequality sign will not change. Inequality sign will not change. So if one is negative number and one is positive number, then there is no changing. Correct? So what will happen here? So how to do this? Correct? Because here we are not changing sign. Then what to do? Okay. So directly if I take a reciprocal, 1 by minus 3 is less than 1 by alpha is less than equal to 1 by 7. So this is definitely wrong. This is definitely wrong. So how to solve this one? So what we will do here, this one will let is what, minus 3 is less than alpha less than 0. Okay, and we can say that 0 is less than equal to alpha less than equal to 7. So here this one we will separate at 0. Okay, this one we will separate at 0. Okay, and this also we can separate 0 is less than alpha and we can add alpha equal to 0. Three terms we are writing. One is minus 3 to 0 and both are open only. And here 0 is less than alpha and less than equal to 7, and third is what, alpha equal to 0. Then here we will take 1 by alpha. So here is what, alpha less than 0. That means this we can say it is negative number. Okay, less than 0. See, we can say that left hand side of 0 is what, negative number. So this one we can say it is a negative number. And 0 is less than alpha. So right hand side of 0 is a positive number. So this one we can say this is positive number and this we can say negative number. So here both are negative. So what will come? 1 by minus 3 is greater than 1 by alpha is greater than 1 by 0 minus. And here also what will come? 1 by 0 plus is greater than 1 by alpha is greater than equal to 1 by 7. And 1 by alpha if I take here, so 1 by alpha equal to 1 by 0. So this is undefined. So this is not possible. Correct? So this is possible, this is possible. So how to write? So 1 minus 1 by 3 is greater than 1 by alpha is greater than 1 divided by very small negative number. So this will come out minus infinite. And here's what, 1 divided by 0 plus. So very small positive number. So this will come out infinite is greater than 1 by alpha is greater than equal to 1 by 7 will come. So you can see here, if one number is negative, one is positive. So we have to separate at 0. Okay. Then like that we have to solve. Here we are discussing that alpha is greater than equal to a and less than b. Then we want 1 by alpha. So how to find out 1 by alpha? So very simple is that we have to take reciprocal of this inequalities. Okay, because alpha to 1 by alpha we want, so we have to take reciprocal of alpha. So how to take reciprocal? So reciprocal depend on what? A and B. So here if A and B both positive or both negative, so both negative or both positive, in that condition what will come? So if both positive or both negative, then we will take reciprocal of this one like that. So A reciprocal is what? 1 by A. Inequality sign will be changing. So this is less than equal to, here become greater than or equal to. Alpha reciprocal is what? 1 by alpha. And this is what? Less than, so it will come greater than. And B reciprocal is what? 1 by B. This will come. If both positive or both negative, directly we can do like that. Okay. Suppose if it is written in terms of interval. So alpha belongs to closed interval A to open bracket B. So this one we can write what? Alpha belongs to closed interval A to B. And if A and B both positive or both negative, so in that case what will come? 1 by alpha belongs to, we have to take reciprocal of first B. So what will come? 1 by B. B is not included, so 1 by B also not included. And A is what? Reciprocal is what? 1 by A. So A is included, so 1 by A also included. So here 1 by alpha maximum value will come 1 by A, and we can say 1 by alpha minimum value should 1 by B. But 1 by B is not possible because 1 by B is not included. So like that we have to take reciprocal if both positive or both negative. Now if both positive or both negative is not there, okay, then second condition what? If A is negative and B is positive. Okay, if A is negative and B is positive. If A is negative and B is positive, then we can say that between A and B 0 will lie because A is negative and B is positive. So between A and B we can say 0 will be exist. So first thing, this one we can write like that: A is less than equal to alpha is less than 0, union 0 is less than alpha less than B, union alpha equal to 0. Like that we can write. Union means what? This one, union this one, union this one. So we know how to take union. In sets and relation we have discussed. Okay. So now we will take reciprocal of this one. See, left hand side of 0. So this one we can say this is negative number. Okay. We know that 0 is in between. Okay. So right hand side is what? Positive number, and left hand side is what? Negative. So this indicates what? Alpha is less than 0. That means this should be some negative number is there, and this is what? Some positive number. So this one we get 0 plus. So here both are negative. A is negative and this is negative. So how to take reciprocal? 1 by A is greater than equal to 1 by alpha is greater than 1 by 0 minus. Inequality sign will change. Union. This one reciprocal 1 by 0 plus. This will come greater than 1 by alpha. This one is greater than 1 by B. And 1 by alpha, if alpha equal to 0, then 1 by alpha is undefined. So here 1 by alpha undefined. So this will not come. Okay. Now 1 by A as it is greater than equal to 1 by alpha is greater than 1 by very small negative number. If you are dividing, so it will come very small number will come. So this is minus infinite will come. Union. See, 1 by very large negative number. So this will come very small number will come. So minus infinity. Union 1 by 0 plus. So if you divide very small positive number, so this will come infinite is greater than 1 by alpha is greater than 1 by B. So this will come. So if you take reciprocal of this one, like that we have to do. Correct? So A is negative, then B is positive, then we will do this one. If you want to do in terms of interval, how to do? So this one will write in terms of interval like alpha belongs to closed interval A to B. So first thing we have to separate like that. Alpha belongs to closed interval A to B. So A to 0 open, union 0 to B, union 0. Like that we will write. Okay. First we are separating closed interval A to B at 0. So closed interval A to 0. So this one we can add 0 minus union 0 plus to B, union 0. Like that we can write. Then 1 by alpha. 1 by alpha belongs to. So in this interval you can say both are what? Negative number. So how to take reciprocal? This will come what? 1 by 0 minus. So this is not included, comma 1 by A. A is included, so 1 by A also included. Union. So here both are positive, so how to take reciprocal? 1 by b. So 1 by is what? Not included, because b is not included, comma 1 by 0 plus, so this is also not included, union 1 by 0 is undefined, so this is undefined, so we will not take this one. So what will come here? 1 by alpha belongs to, in bracket, 1 divided by, so 1 divided by very large negative number. Okay, very large negative number, if you divide, so very small number will come, that is minus infinite, comma 1 by a close union, this is 1 by b, comma 1 by 0 plus, so very small positive number if you divide, so very large number will come, that is infinite. So alpha belongs to closed interval, alpha belongs to closed interval a to b is there, so 1 by alpha what will come? 1 by alpha what will come? Minus infinite to 1 by a, so a is included, so 1 by a also included, union 1 by b to infinite, so this will come. Okay, now someone is thinking that if a is positive and b is negative, then what will happen? See, if a is positive and b is negative, so this is positive and this is negative is there, then this is possible? Not possible. So this condition is not possible. Next we are discussing some examples. So these are the examples. So first example is what? Alpha belongs to closed interval minus 4 to 9. Okay, and we want 1 by alpha. Okay, so this is negative, this is positive, so we want reciprocal of this one. So already we discussed that how to find out reciprocal. So I'm discussing very simple way, okay, very short way first, that suppose we have y belongs to closed interval q to r is open, q is what? Less than 0 and r is greater than 0, that means q is what? Negative, r is positive, then how to take reciprocal of y? So 1 by y what will come? 1 by y belongs to, this will start from minus infinite till it will go what? Reciprocal of q is what? 1 by q. Q is included, so 1 by q also included, union, then we have to take reciprocal of r, so what will come? 1 by r. R is not included, so 1 by r also not included, till infinite, so this will go till infinite. So like that we can do directly reciprocal. So here also we can do directly reciprocal. So 1 by alpha what will come? 1 by alpha belongs to, see, 1 is negative, 1 is positive, so it will start from minus infinite, it will go till what? We have to take reciprocal of 1 by minus 4, so what will come? 1 by minus 4. Okay, so minus 4 is included, so this is also included, union, then we have to take reciprocal of 9, so what will come? 1 by 9. 9 is not included, so 1 by 9 also not included, till infinite it will go. So this is 1 by alpha. Next example is x belongs to open bracket minus 3 to open bracket 4. This one we have to take reciprocal. So here both are, one is negative, one is positive, so same way we have to do. So here 1 by x what will come? It will start from minus infinite, then we have to take reciprocal of minus 3, so what will come? 1 by minus 3. See, minus 3 is not included, so this also not included, union, then we have to take reciprocal of 4, so what will come? 1 by 4. 4 is not included, so 1 by 4 also not included, till infinite it will go. Okay, next example is what? 3 beta plus 2 belongs to closed interval minus 6 to closed interval 7, and here we want 1 by 3 beta plus 2. So this is 3 beta plus 2, so directly we have to take, see, we want this one, so how to get from here to here? We have to take reciprocal of this one. So how to take reciprocal? This is, 1 is negative, 1 is positive, so 1 by 3 beta plus 2. Reciprocal of this one we are discussing. So reciprocal of this one is what? 1 by 3 beta plus 2. Then how to take reciprocal of this interval? So very simple, 1 is negative, 1 is positive, so this belongs to what will come? Minus infinite to, reciprocal of minus 6 is what? 1 by minus 6. Minus 6 is included, so this also included, union, then we have to take 7 reciprocal, what will come? 1 by 7. 7 is included, so 1 by 7 also included, till infinity it will go, like that will come. Next example is what? Delta belongs to closed interval minus 6 to minus 3, then we want 1 by delta. So here we want reciprocal of delta, so 1 by delta we want. So you can see both are negative, so how to take reciprocal? Very simple, 1 by delta equal to, if you want to reciprocal, so this will come out, reciprocal of 1 by minus 3 first will come, 1 by minus 3, so this is included, so this is also included, comma, then we take reciprocal of minus 6, so 1 by minus 6, this will also come close because this is included. Next is what? P belongs to close interval 2 to 4. 4 is open, then we want 1 by P, correct? So we want reciprocal of P. So this is closed, this is open, and both are positive. So how to take reciprocal? This belongs to, so we have to take reciprocal for 1 by 4. 4 is not included, so 1 by 4 also not included, comma. Then we have to take reciprocal of 2, 1 by 2. 2 is included, so 1 by 2 also included. So this will become closed interval 1 by 2. So like that we have to take reciprocal.